This looks like a normal "I'm not a robot" check. But if the next instruction says press Windows and R, stop. The page is not verifying you. It is trying to make you install the malware yourself. The Federal Trade Commission issued a consumer alert about this exact trick in June 2026. Microsoft calls the wider technique ClickFix. It succeeds because every step looks familiar on its own. A checkbox, a keyboard shortcut, a paste command, and one final press of enter. Here is the hidden mechanism. On a legitimate CAPTCHA, the verification stays inside the web page. You might select traffic lights, type distorted letters, or click a checkbox. A ClickFix page changes the boundary. When you click its fake verification control, the page can place a hidden command on your clipboard. You do not see that command. Instead, the screen tells you to open the Windows Run box, paste, and press enter. That final key is the dangerous part. The attacker does not need to defeat the operating system from the outside. The instructions persuade you to authorize the command from the inside. Microsoft says this added user action can help the technique slip past conventional automated defenses. The scale is growing. In Microsoft's email security data, CAPTCHA-gated phishing more than doubled in March 2026, reaching 11.9 million attacks. That number includes several kinds of CAPTCHA-gated phishing, not only ClickFix, but it shows why this familiar verification screen has become such useful camouflage. The camouflage works because CAPTCHAs have trained us to expect a little inconvenience. We are used to proving ourselves before a page opens, so an extra instruction feels like part of the same routine. The attacker turns that patience into participation. Instead of exploiting a technical vulnerability first, the page recruits the person at the keyboard to complete the attack chain. The fake page may appear after a phishing email, a malicious advertisement, or a compromised website. Some versions imitate a browser error. Others pretend the document cannot load or copy the look of a recognizable verification service. The design changes. The giveaway does not. The copy branding does not mean the real verification company was breached. Criminals imitate trusted logos and layouts because recognition lowers suspicion. Judge the requested action, not the logo. A polished page can still be fake, while one impossible instruction exposes the entire trick. Here is the 5-second check. A real CAPTCHA will never ask you to open Windows Run, PowerShell, Terminal, Command Prompt, or any other operating system tool. It will not ask you to paste a command. The moment verification leaves the web page, close the page. If you click the checkbox but did not run anything, stop there and close the site. Do not continue just because the first step seemed harmless. If you already pasted the command and press enter, the FTC says to act quickly. First, disconnect the affected device from the internet. That can interrupt access to online shopping, email, or banking accounts. Next, run a trusted security scan and remove anything it finds. Then use a different, clean device to change important passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Prioritize the email account that can reset your other passwords, followed by financial and shopping accounts. Do not reuse the old password. If this happened on a work computer, report it to your security or IT team immediately. The lesson is simpler than the attack. Verification belongs in the browser. Keyboard shortcuts plus pasted commands are not proof that you are human. They are a request to trust text you cannot see. So when a CAPTCHA tells you to press Windows and R, you already have the answer. Close the page. Subscribe to Wide Spike for real warnings, hidden mechanisms, and the 5-minute explanation that tells you what to do next.